TAPA is an R&D project where we develop a new concept for a turbo system.
EIT RawMaterials gave us the chance to make possible this project, one project that was a strategy for Cicaucho. Cicaucho belongs to one of the biggest industrial cooperatives in the world, that's called Mondragon. Mondragon was founded in the 50s and has around 80,000 employees.
EIT RawMaterials is a knowledge and innovation community supported by the EIT, the European Institute of Innovation and Technology. Has 6 local or regional innovation hubs across Europe with participation of more than 20 countries, bringing together the knowledge triangle: universities, technological and research organizations, and industry.
In the consortium, we work with DSM as material supplier, Tecnalia, that is an R&D center, University of Lovaina, and Cicaucho.
EIT RawMaterials covers the whole value chain for raw materials, from exploration and mining of primary materials, primary resources, to the recycling to obtain secondary resources.
The benefit of the solution is that we use now a recyclable material instead of a non-recyclable material. Among of that, the part we get now is much lighter, so the emissions of the car are lower during the lifetime of the car.
The TAPA project allows us to fully develop charge air cooling ducts for the automotive industry. Compared with rubber, the new pipe equals performance and quality, meeting the demanding standards of the automotive sector. The part is being produced for General Motors, with over 20,000 pieces already rolling in cars across the USA. Mondragon Cooperativa and Cicaucho have significantly increased the CAC ducts turnover after the project.
TAPA project gave us a big support to speed up the R&D project.